Number 11. Get a job. It means to find and start working at a job.
After graduating, she quickly got a job in marketing. After graduating, she quickly got a job in marketing. He's trying hard to get a job in IT. He's trying hard to get a job in IT. They moved to the city to get better jobs. They moved to the city to get better jobs.
Number 12. Get to know each other. It means to spend time together to understand one another better.
Let's hang out to get to know each other. Let's hang out to get to know each other. They got to know each other at work. They got to know each other at work. Getting to know each other takes time and effort. Getting to know each other takes time and effort.
Number 13. Get a discount. It means to receive a reduction in the usual price.
Students can get a discount at the bookstore. Students can get a discount at the bookstore. She got a discount on her new phone. She got a discount on her new phone. If you shop online, you might get a discount. If you shop online, you might get a discount.
Number 14. Get married. It means to enter into marriage.
They are planning to get married next year. They are planning to get married next year. My sister got married in a beautiful ceremony. My sister got married in a beautiful ceremony. Many people get married in the spring. Many people get married in the spring.
Number 15. Get back from. It means to return from a place or situation.
When did you get back from your vacation? When did you get back from your vacation? She just got back from a business trip. She just got back from a business trip. They got back from the concert late last night. They got back from the concert late last night.